Yeah, guys, this is an endurance run, live. Sorry for the shaky camera. Yeah. All right, catch y'all later. Fitness. All right, guys. So I just did an endurance workout run, full of hills the entire time. I was using the Ifit coach trainer, and we just did Morocco. Whew, man, it's too much, but it feels good, like all the sweat, I was able to sweat a lot. And as you can see, I'm working out in the garage, so it's kind of hot as heck in here. So, one of the downsides of using the treadmill in the garage. If it's cold, it's cold. If it's hot, it's hot. There's no AC or nothing. So your body just, gets used to the room temperature over here. So run, I'm just doing a cool down. After the run, it just goes straight to the cool down. Let me end cool down right now. Okay, so end. All right. So this is what I did. Whew. Man, full of hills. Normally, if it's a flat plane, I would have run less than this time, but man, hill is killing. And so I just want to do like a 3-month review for this treadmill. This is the Nordic track C700. Very good treadmill. Very good. I really enjoy using it. So finish. Well, it's fully equipped with Wi-Fi, so it says update available. As you can see, it updates by itself. Start updating. There you can see it's updating. So I just want to say, it's money worth spent on this treadmill. As you can see, it comes with a Flex Select. It acts as surface shock absorbers so that you don't hit your foot. You don't feel the hardness of the treadmill. It kind of softens the treadmill a little bit. So since I'm done, I'll just lift it up and store it. So yeah. So in my previous videos, I told you guys that I bought this at Walmart. It cost me, with taxes and everything, $600. It was the best treadmill at the time, and it has really served me well. As you can see, it's still brand new, looking good. You can put your laptop, or I said laptop, you can put your iPad over here with a connector, So once you purchase this treadmill, it comes with this 1-year Ifit coach membership. So I still got a lot of time to go with this. As you can see, I think it comes with the family. This one is the family, so that everybody in your household can use it. You can use this. Ifit account, membership. This is a family one, so you can use it. It's pretty good. I'm gonna tell you this, man. Well, I don't know about y'all, but you know, in my own view, this is the best treadmill by far I've ever used, and it's not so expensive. It's pretty well built, and still, well, yeah, it's still doing the update. So I'm gonna leave that one on a little bit and go hop in the shower. So guys, if you have any questions, you know, comment below, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more updates on this treadmill. I'm giving it 3 more months, then I'll do a 6-month update review, probably around October-ish. So let's see how it holds in the next 3 months added to it. So, all right, guys. Yes, so guys, there you go. So don't forget to comment below if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe at the bottom below. Thank you. Peace.